Hi everyone. Want to ditch this dull, flat Windows desktop and get something incredible? Then this video is going to blow your mind. I'm not just changing the wallpaper. I'm installing the tools for that stunning, transparent glass aesthetic, the ultimate, sleek transformation. I've found the perfect tools to make this happen step by step. Let's get started now. Okay, first step is to turn on the dark mode if you haven't already. Let's go into settings. Now go into personalization, then go into colors. In here you can see the mode you have selected, click on there, and change it to dark mode. The next crucial step is to verify your Windows 11 version. You must have version 25H2 or newer for this theme to work correctly. To check the version, click on the Windows button. Then type About in the search bar. Then open the About Your PC. In here, scroll a little bit down until you see Windows specifications. You can see now your Windows version. If it says 25H2, you are all set for the next step. But if it's not, you need to go into Windows Update and check for new updates. Okay. In this step, we're going to enable the new redesigned Windows 11 Start menu from Microsoft, but they haven't still released to all users. I'm going to show you how to get it. First of all, you need to go into the link in the description and download files I have uploaded. This makes next steps much easier to follow. Once you downloaded the zip file, go into the Downloads folder. Now, right-click the zip file and click Extract All. Once it's extracted, open the folder until you see the files and links. Now, let's enable New Start menu. To do that, open the Vive tool link, which will open in your browser. Okay, scroll down a little bit to find the Assets heading. Here, you need to choose and download the zip file that corresponds to your Windows processor. The standard Windows 11 version will work for most users. However, since my laptop has a Snapdragon processor, I specifically need to download the ARM64 file. Once you download the ViveTool zip file, you need to extract it, as we done earlier. Now go into the ViveTool folder. In here, you need to copy the folder path. To do that, click on the navigation bar. Select the path and copy it. Now let's go into Command Prompt. Click on the Start button and type CMD. Then make sure you click on the Run as Administrator. From here, we need to navigate into the ViveTool folder. So, first, type CD, that's Change Directory, followed by a space. Then, you can right-click to paste the folder path, or simply use the Ctrl+V shortcut to paste it in. Alright, now that we are in the ViveTool path, we need to run the command to enable the new Windows 11 Start menu. To get that specific command, let's quickly jump into the folder we downloaded earlier from the description. In here, you'll see the text file named Code ViveTool. Go ahead and open it up, and then copy the command we need. Now, let's go back to the CMD window. Just as before, paste the command. Once it's pasted, hit Enter to run it, and enable the new menu. You will see a message saying Successfully Configured. Now restart your computer to see the effect. If you check your Start menu now, you should see the new, redesigned look. That's done. Now that we've confirmed the new menu is there, let's jump into the main event of the video, making everything beautifully glass transparent. Head back to that original folder you downloaded. Inside, you'll find a link called WinHawk. Go ahead and open that link to get the official WinHawk download. On this page, click the Download button to download the setup file. Then, just install it on your PC. Follow along with what I'm doing right here on screen. Open up Winhawk, head over to the Explore tab, and search for the mod called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Right here, just click Install, then hit Accept and Install when prompted. Now, navigate to the Settings tab for this mod. We're going to set the taskbar height to 58, the icon size to 30, and the taskbar button width to 48. Then click Save. A quick note, you might need to adjust these values slightly if the taskbar looks a bit off on your specific PC configuration. Perfect. Now let's tackle the main feature, creating that transparent glass taskbar. To do this, head back to the Explore tab and search for Taskbar Styler. Just like before, install this mod as well. Now that Taskbar Styler is installed, let's head over to the Advanced tab within its settings. We need to replace the default setting code here. To get the right code, go back to your downloaded folder and open the code, Modern Taskbar, text file, copy the entire code, and paste it right into this Winhawk window. Make sure you hit the Save button. Remember, for any changes you make in Winhawk, you must click Save to apply them. As you can see, the taskbar is now beautifully transparent. But we have one quick fix to address, the Maximize Window issue. To solve that, head back to the Explore tab, search for the mod called Taskbar Background Helper, and go ahead and install it. Once the Taskbar Background Helper is installed, jump into its settings. We're going to change the background style to acrylic blur. Then, adjust the color values. Set red to 62, green to 63, and blue to 64. When you're done, remember to hit Save. Next, let's customize the Start menu itself. Head back to the Explore tab and look for Start Menu Styler, then install it. Just like we did earlier, go into the Advanced tab for this mod and paste in the code I provided. Once you hit Save, take a look. You can see that the Start menu has been instantly transformed into that amazing transparent glass design. That looks fantastic. Okay, for the very last mod, we need to tackle the Notification Center, which is currently still using the default theme. Let's fix that. Head back to the Explore tab one final time and search for Notification Center Styler. Install it, and just like we did with the others, copy and paste the provided code into the Advanced tab. Voila! Once you hit Save on that one, the Notification Center is also instantly changed to the beautiful glass theme. That completes all the customizations we needed to do inside Winhawk. Now, there's a small issue with the current version of this mod. The taskbar search box doesn't work correctly with the glass theme. This might get fixed in a future update, but for now, the best solution is to hide the search box. Let's go do that quickly. Alright, the glass theme is complete, but if you want to make your desktop truly stand out, the next steps are for you. For this, we need a software called Rainmeter. Head back to your downloaded folder, find the link to the Rainmeter site, and download it. The setup is straightforward. Just download the file and install it on your PC. Now, when Rainmeter starts, it usually adds a few widgets by default. To clean up the desktop, just right-click on each of those default widgets and select Unload Skin to remove them. With the default skins unloaded, go back to your downloaded folder and find the link for the new Rainmeter skin. Once the GitHub page opens, scroll down to the Assets section and download the file that ends with rmskin. Once that file is downloaded, simply open it and follow the prompts to install the new skin. Now you should see the skin settings window appear. Go ahead and choose your preferred time and temperature format from the options here, and then click Apply Theme. Then select the first layout. Okay, in this menu, you can choose the skin style and a matching wallpaper. To complement our existing transparent setup, make sure you click on Dark Glass. For the wallpaper, I'm choosing the second one here. This is the main settings page for the skin. From here, you have tons of options. You can add new widgets. There are plenty to choose from, add custom shortcuts, and change other visual settings. If you ever need to get back to this page, just right-click the plus button on your desktop and select Settings. If you want to change the visual style of any widget, just right-click on it and select Alternative. You can do this on all the widgets to cycle through the different views and styles they offer. Now is the time to truly personalize your space. Customize your widgets exactly how you want them. Drag them around. Change their style using the alternative option we just discussed, and tweak settings for specific widgets. Take a moment to find what works best for you. I'm just going to quickly lay out a simple widget arrangement for you right now. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 desktop is now completely transformed with that beautiful transparent glass aesthetic and awesome Rainmeter widgets. If you followed along, you should have a unique, standout PC setup. If this video helped you achieve this look, please smash that like button and subscribe for more desktop customization guides. Let me know in the comments which wallpaper or widget setup you ended up using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.